Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach surge and examples. Let's see what is surge first. Surge. It is an expression which includes a cube root or square root or any other root, which is like cube root of 2, square root of 7. These are all examples of surge. This is surge. Now we'll see the solutions for these two sums. Examples of surge only, those are also. First one, cube the root of 108 into cube the root of 2. 108 we can write as, first cube root of 108 we can write as 108 whole power 1 by 3 into here cube root of 2 we can write as 2 whole power 1 by 3. Now next step here is 108 we can write as 2 square into 3 cube. 2 square into 3 cube. 4 into 27 which is 108. Power 1 by 3 into here again 2 power 1 by 3. Now here multiply individual terms, that is 2 square 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 3 into 3 cube whole power 1 by 3 into 2 1 by 3. Here 2 base is same, here also base is same. So if bases are same, powers should be added. First multiply the powers here, which is 2. 2 power 2 into 1 by 3. Here 3. 3 into 3 power 1 by 3 into 2. Already here 1 nothing will happen, 1 by 3. Next step is 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So we get 2 by 3 into 3 power 3 by 3. It is 1 into 2 1 by 3 up in the power. Now here bases are same, add the powers only for 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This is the formula here. If bases are same, powers should be added. That formula is a to the power of m into b to the power of n. A and b you think as mn. The powers are different, which is a to the power of m plus n. Now add here 2 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is 3 by 3. Denominators are same, directly add the numerators into 3 by 3. 3 by 3 here 1. 2 power 1 into 3 power 1, which is 2 into 3. 6 the answer. For the first one, answer is 6. Now let us see second one. Now second one we'll see. Second one solution we'll see now. Here the above sum it has cube the root. Now it has 4th root. So we have to express 81 in the powers of 4. Here 343 in powers of 3. 32 in powers of 5. Here any symbol is not there. This is, if it is not there, it is considered as square root of 2. Here 81 we can express it as 3 power 4. 3 power 4 it is 81. So we have to write this as 4th root of 3 power 4. 81 we can write as 3 power 4 minus 8 into 343 in the terms of 3, like cube the root of 8 into cube the root of 7 cube. 7 cube is 343. Now next 15 into 5th root of 32. 32 in the terms of 5, that is 2 power 5 we can write as, plus 225. It is square root of 2, anything is not there. So in the terms of 2, we can write as 15 square is 225. Now next step is here fourth root and the power gets cancelled. Fourth root and power gets cancelled. Here also cube root and 3 power gets cancelled. Here also cube root of 5 and power 5 gets cancelled. Here square root gets cancelled. Now remaining here is 3. 3 minus 8 into remaining 7. Here root is cancelled. 8 into 7 plus 15 into 2, remaining 2 plus here only 15 is there, 15. Now next 3 minus 8 sevens are 56 plus 15 twos are 30 plus 15, which is 3 minus 56 minus 53 plus 30 plus 15, 45, which is minus 8 answer for this. For the second example, sum is minus 8 answer, minus 8. Thank you.